Well, good morning. How you like that sunset, sunrise? Getting ready to pack the bikes up. Yep. Gonna be a good day. Oh, look, squirrel. Welcome to Bike Noise Channel. Run that intro. Hey, good morning again. Welcome back to Blue Bike Noise Channel. We got 50 miles to our second stop. First stop, I don't know. I should just pull that up, but it's not that far, just over in Brunswick. So that sun's bright, so let's do a What's Up, Roy Moto's Adventures. Go check out Roy Moto's Adventure, him and his brother's adventures. They finally got out on their bikes. Yeah, buddy. Alright. See that state law thing, and then you got little lights flashing. We walked up there and pushed the button and nobody stopped for us. So it's 74 degrees, and there's the Atlantic Ocean. Yep. Alrighty, so we're gonna do roadside attractions and Harley Davidson dealerships, which is a roadside attraction. For me it is. So our roadside first, we're going to see the first, we're going to Brunswick. You know what Brunswick is? Brunswick, Georgia. The name is Brunswick because that's where Brunswick stew come from. We're going to see the first Brunswick stew part. It was put on display or used in 1898. I think it was right, 1898. I don't know, but I'll put all the links and the details down in the description. So, and then our next church, the world's smallest church. One of them. There's a bunch of them, according to Roadside Adventure, roadsideamerica.com. So, we'll get over there when we get off the island and go across that big bridge. I don't know, I didn't show you yesterday. We went across a bridge, but it wasn't the big bridge. It was a big bridge, but it wasn't the big bridge. Ooh, look, a lighthouse. Oh, that's that putt-putt golf. Oh, look, a motorcyclist. I do. He waved. Pretty, ain't it? Alright. See, there's the big bridge. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the big bridge we gotta go across. Big bridge. Suspension bridge. Yeah. See it? Right over there. I don't know if you can or not, but it's right over there. Damn, buddy, you can't go no faster up this. Big bridge. Yeah. Gotta go get the big boats go under big bridge. It takes a big bridge to let a big boat go under. Yeah, buddy. Sign back there said, historic Old Town of Brunswick, Georgia is where we at. Yeah, I say so. We got to turn up here next street. But that big truck just turned. Yeah. Where y'all running from? Running from old age. That cracked me up. I scraped myself up. So make sure I didn't run a stop sign there. Alright, the pot's down here on in a little ways. Because it's a waypoint, it don't tell me exactly how far it is. Alright, here it is. This is also Rose Park or something like that. I see the pot. The first Brunswick pot they cooked Brunswick stew in. And we're right here on the wick, the wharf. That's a little medium-sized boat. They're having a farmer's market. Well, there's the first pot. Play on words. Stopping that one. Alright, in this pot, the first Brunswick stew was made on St. Simon Isle, July 2nd, 1898. So I was right. First pot. Alright. Leaving the pot. That's like calling the kettle calling the pot black. Is that what they say? That's another one of them folks sayings. Whatever. Mayrose Park. Mayrow. She says they turning, but you don't trust nobody. Alright. Eat your heart out, Road Glide Indy. Alright, we should be getting up here close. I think I see the sign for it. I don't know, we need to turn before. Yeah, okay, it's yeah, it should be right up here somewhere. The thing was burnt, and then within a year they took a donation and rebuilt it. Right where the flag's at, right there. There it is. World's smallest church in America. So it ain't the world, but it's the smallest in America. Christian Chapel in Memorial Park. Smile, you on camera. May this bell ring out and praise the Lord, offering and dedicated to Wayne and Tanya Moore. And we can pull the rope. And smile, you on camera. I don't know where. Donation left overnight. No donation left overnight. Light comes on when you open the door. So, and it's air conditioned, or it's cooling. So, there's letters and stuff. And you got 2, 4, 6, 12 people 13. So that's, yes, and then standing room. Wow. People leaving stuff. You got hymns, box of stuff. John 3:16. Just letters, and people leave stuff for sale. pots and stuff. Please do not place anything in the window sills. Okay. Very neat. What smallest church in America? There you have it. Pretty neat. Alright, we got leaving the smallest church in America. Top that, Mr. Mustache. Find yours. See if you can find us a smaller church. Probably is, guys. I think there was a couple across America. There's one in Alabama. It's just an outhouse now. Yeah. Smallest church in America. Get out of this sandy, spinning. Alright, we got 20. I hope it don't rain. He's supposed to. Scattered thunderstorms. 28 miles to get to Savannah, Harley-Davidson or Savannah, the first one. There's two of them. Alright, folks, here we are. There's the dealership over there. I wonder what time they open. Probably open by now. Yep, red light, red light, red light. Jump off time. Okay. I'll let John do all the jump offs. I don't want to steal his stuff like UCM Pig said everybody's stealing everybody else's stuff. See, if I had to jump off, then I'm stealing John's jump off. From Road Reality. Beggars. I think I turned a little early. Yep. I think I turned a little early. Oh look, a Can-Am up here already. Well, they just park right in the middle, don't they? Now they blocking everybody in. Alright. Well, it's a service down there. It's the main entrance here. Yep. Alright. Well, here's Savannah Harley. So technically, the other dealership is just a t-shirt place. It's across town. I don't feel like fighting Savannah traffic to go across town just for a poker chip. So technically, it's not a dealership, right? So we say we've been to one in Savannah. Alright, so next stop is Warner Robertson. Warner Robertson. Alright, folks. Y'all didn't. We showed up here and went to this museum. If you want to see the inside of this museum, it's a Roadside America attraction. It's free to go in. 4 buildings, 50-something acres of airplanes. Yeah, so if you want to see that video, it'll be up here somewhere. What did he say, Tom? Larry, hurry, I'm dropping the hammer. Nope, wrong movie. See all the aeroplanes? That's a B5 something, B5D bomber. And then we'll say whatever that airplane is, and then you got one down there. I don't know if we can go back here. I'm finna turn around. The B1 bomber, I believe that's what that is. And then my favorite is this A1 or a Warthog, A1 or something like that. The Warthog tank killer. The plane was built all around that gun right there to shoot them, you know, tank killer rounds, armor piercing. Yeah, shoot down the Warthog A10. That's what AT Thunderbolt 2. Thought it was A10, 30 millimeter, 30 Mike rifle board, Gatling gun. Yeah, buddy. And then the B1 bomber. Alright, so like I said, not much to show you today on the roadside attraction. Yep, it's hot. How hot is it? I don't know yet, let me tell you. I gotta do all this. Whew. It says it's too hot to register. 87.8 degrees. Yeah. Alright, there's the museum. Can't miss it because there's the airplane out front. Whew. Right off 75, I can't know exactly how many miles it is off. Not that far off of I-75. We came in from I-16, so yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the day. I'm not going. It's just a hotel room. Maybe you can get it the other way. I don't know where it's thinking. Yeah, I knew it wasn't that far. But anyway, hope you enjoyed our little ride today. So go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you later. Ooh, it's hot.